Hello, dear breathing beings. Welcome to another Breath of Life in 5 minutes. Today our intention is to observe how we breathe. So sit with an upright spine in a quiet place and prepare yourself for today's practice. Close your eyes. Allow the body and the mind to relax. Set aside all tasks and bring your full attention to your breath. Place your left hand on your belly around the navel area and your right hand on your chest. The hands will help you perceive which parts of the body you use to breathe. Keep your arms and shoulder relaxed. Now observe the movement of the breath in your torso. Notice the movement of the belly. Notice the movement of the chest. Where do you breathe more? Is there synchronization between the movements? Do the shoulders participate? Are you breathing through the nose or the mouth? Does the breath make any sound? Is it slow or fast? Is there a pause between inhalation and exhalation? Continue observing your breath and getting to know yourself more deeply. The ideal breath is slow through the nose, silent, and happens mainly in the belly using the diaphragm. The chest expands only slightly at the end of the inhalation, and the shoulders do not participate. Take care and see you next time.